Hey guys, it's Tim here, and today we are going to finish this Sub-Zero axe head. The handle came in, we're going to sharpen it, we're going to put it on the handle, and some little boiled linseed oil. So let's see what happens. Alright, so this is my sharpening contraption here. I got this bad boy off of Craigslist years ago for like 20 bucks, 25 bucks. And it uses this little cup there. We'll turn it on. We'll get it a little bit more wet. We'll wiggle it so it's not wobbling. You gotta shim it. Alright. We got a steady drip going on there. We're just gonna start getting it up here. Boy, that thing needs to get. Alright, so this thing is slightly out of round, and that's kind of a problem, but let's continue. Alright, so that did the rough job here. We got all the chips out of the end. There's a bunch of fuzz on there from the towel, but we'll have to give it another little paint job. That muddy, dirty, gritty water really messed it up, but there's a nice burr on there. We'll take our sharpening stone and we'll finish it off. But for the rough job, they did a fine job. Alright, next step. Alright, so here's our axe. And boy, does this thing ever fit tight going this way. If I flip the axe head around, it drops in there a lot better. It's weird. But who wants to swing it like that? No one. Boy, that's tight. It's already starting to do the little roll, peel, almost the whole way. I don't know if you can see it right in here. And if you look inside, if it'll focus on the inside, maybe you can see it. That is just pinched super tight. So we have to do a little shaving off here. Let me get my power sander. I don't think the sandpaper is that ship shape, but let's see if that helped at all. I'm doubting it did. Okay, let me go get a hammer real quick. Alright, so I'm going to take this and hit it. And the first thing I'm going to do is I never pulled out the nail, or staple rather. Okay, with the staple pulled out of the bottom, we're gonna hit the bottom to drive the head up. Okay, so we're gaining progress. It's coming up through here. We have a long way to go, and we're shaving quite a bit in here, but it's still going. Let's just keep trying it. Let's keep trying it right here. All right, now our burr has gotten huge. See our burr? And we're not even all the way through, and we want that axe head to sit down lower. So what we gotta do is pull this thing off, trim up a little bit of this, so it's gonna go on, and we want our burr down in here. So let's get this thing off. All right, let's do this another go here. So we sanded it down a little bit more. I don't really have faith in it just yet, but let's try setting this. Looks crooked, but I think it's really the handle. Yeah, the handle's crooked. It's flatter here and more tapered on this side. We don't have much of a wedge, but it can have room to drive, so let's see what happens here. We got a nice burr going on each side. So that means we have the most meat that we can have at the base of our axe. Okay. All right, so here's the wedge they supplied. They also supplied these two little metal wedges. Normally you don't get these, you just get this. So let's do this here. We're gonna be able to fit this. We have to use one of these to open it up. Let's see, where can you see? Alright, you hold this. Like right here. Don't be scared. Oh yeah, that thing's tight. Hold it. And here we go. I bet we can get it now.
Maybe you need a little more in the middle.
Spread it in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay. I know what we're gonna do. What is it? Are you holding it? You must really trust your dad. Okay.
I guess I do.
You guys do, huh? I'm gonna put just a little bit of boiled linseed oil on the wedge. Hey guys, as I was sitting here doing the editing, I had so much video that the video was just going to be way too long. So I'm going to break it up. I planned on doing a 2-part. It's got to be a 3-part. There was just so much to doing this axe head that I just want to capture it all. So stick with me. Don't leave yet. And there'll be a 3rd part. So we'll catch you on the next one.